Oh, jeez. I'm just unbelievably bad at this. I'm sorry, folks. No. This is sad. This is just pathetic. Why am I so bad at this? I'm not always this bad. No, I'm not doing that whole thing. This is crazy bad. And it's because there's a ceiling. Okay, that explains it. Okay. Button. Ooh, this room's kind of nifty looking. It's all blue. Let's test how long you can hold your breath. There's a chest underwater. You need to search them for a button, but here's the catch. Not every chest has a button. Good luck. Hint, if it's dark, then where should you go? Wait, so... Oh, God. I'm not gonna... Okay, yeah. This is not my kind of challenge. Get back up. Oh no! Oh. That was bad. I got stuck under there for a second. Yeah, okay, so there's a bunch of things right by the gravestone. That's where the holes are. Well, I guess it would make sense to look more towards the other side. He wouldn't put it, like, right in front of you when you first walk in there. Okay, that one doesn't have it either. Go up, go up, go up. Wait, what am I searching for? A button? Okay. This one, please. Nope. Ugh. Okay. This is gonna be a little bit tedious. I bet the button will be in the last chest I check. Is it in this one? Nope. No siree. Okay, I'm having a blast. This is great fun. Okay, maybe it's in one of these. God. Oh, that has it, that has it. Okay, now I just need to live. Okay, get above water. Alright, I made it. Now I just have to do this parkour stuff. It should be fun. It's ice. Always my favorite block to jump on. If that makes any sense. It didn't. Whatever. It was sarcasm anyway. Okay. Ice block jumping. That's what we're doing now. That is what we are doing. We need to get up there. I'm a little bit sick. I caught a cold a few days ago. And it's almost gone, but it's still a little bit stuffy. My voice is a little bit nasally than usual. And I just jumped off. Awesome.